Hi friends, today we are going to talk about messages in a app where sometimes we get an app message, error message or warning message, but after that it doesn't tell me how can I fix it or something. Okay, so just to give you an example, what I'm talking about is I'll execute this. Okay, and here I have this message, suppose test for SAP messaging. And here, after that, suppose I'm getting this message and I want to know what's the progress after this, what I have to do, because this message just is very vague. So, what you can do is always click on help, and from here, you can give further information. But here also, you get further information. Imagine if there is a interactive way where we can embed a link here. How can we do that? So I'll show you how we can embed a link in a message. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is first I'll go to the message class. Okay, so we'll just create SE91. I go to the message class, and this is the message. Okay, I have already prepared. Okay, and here, um, this is the so first what I have to do is, and I'll give you all the description what you have to add. It's just HTML coding. So here what I can do is I'll go into change mode and I'll create a brand new one, but first I'll copy it. Okay, so I'll go to long text, which the long text is the place where it shows further information, and there we can embed the link. Okay, so here by default it comes here. You can just configure the editor. I will go to change editor, and here what I'm going to do here, if you see, this is the link I will embed. So what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this. Okay, and control C, and this will take me to SAP help. Okay, so now here I will say I will just create a new one. Take me take me to SAP help. Okay, take me to SAP experts, or I'll just put SAP help, and I'm just showing you. And here you have to click on long text. Okay, and do you want to save? Yes, we'll just click yes, and it's already sufficiently described. We click yes, and whenever you get the screen, you just go to change editor, and here I'll just give some enter key, enter just for the heck, and I'll paste it. Please check below. That's it. I'll click save here, click enter, and how can I test it? So if I go in display mode, and if I click on this and I long text on it, okay, here you can see if I click on help now, it takes me to SAP help. You notice? Yes, it takes me there. So now what I'm going to do is I'll just go back. Now I'll have to embed it in the program. So how will I do it? Okay, I'll just go to program SE38, and here this is a program, and I'll create a new parameter. Okay, and once the program shows up, here it shows up. Now I'll go here, I'll just copy this, and I'll put message 2, and that's my parameter that I'm going to use. Okay, message 2. Okay, and I'll just go down, and here I'll write the code if the mess2 it's not initial, and if. Okay, and here we would put message E001 DST. I think it was test country, right? Yes, and we will now activate it. Once we activate this, we will execute. So our parameter was PMESS2. So we'll execute this. We get this message. We go to help, and we click on this, That takes me to the SAP help. So if you notice, that takes me to the SAP help. So that's very smart. Now you might say, where do we will use it? You will use it, I think, everywhere, because lots of times you get this, you are not authorized for this transaction code. People are clueless. If you could have put a link like this, that will take you to the security website or something where they can ask for the role. That would have been wonderful. Okay, so this way you can automate it. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning, and subscribe to it and like it, and share it. And every day there's a new segment that is coming in. So watch out for it. Thank you and have a great day.